Good morning, gardeners. This is Paul, and right here is Paul Thomson's number 7 off of his unknown list, and that's different than what I'm going to talk about today, which is 7-S. Now, in this trellis is 8-S, which is Sugar Dragon, was renamed, but it actually had a sister seedling, in case you didn't know. And as you can see in Paul Thomson's book, he said that it was lost in frost at his place. But luckily he had given it to some California rare fruit growers to grow, and it survives today, so here it is. Now the new growth is slightly different than Sugar Dragon's. Comes out really green, and then it just starts to turn pink, so I'm excited to see what the new branches form. This is Sugar Dragon, or 8-S, and here's a new branch forming on 7-S. It's very green. Now the grower did say in his opinion he thought Sugar Dragon tasted a bit better, but time will tell. I'm excited just to grow this and try it and see for myself. So here's Sugar Dragon on the left, a little discolored, looks happier up here by the way. See, this is 8-S compared to 7-S. I mean, they basically look very, very similar. And they actually look similar because they have the same parent plant, which is HOUGHTON, which is right here. So I finally got what I believe to be 100% the correct variety, or accurate variety, I should say, HOUGHTON, which was one of the parents, and it was pollinated with Rixford here. And be careful with Rixford, there's a lot of mislabeled ones. In my opinion, Matt's Landscape, the website, they sell a G series plant, or sold a G series plant as Rixford. Rixford's very, very horny. And ironically, both of these in Paul Thomson's collections were both unknown varieties. And so he thought that this plant here is actually Selenocereus because it has a scale on the fruit, which is not a typical characteristic of Hylocereus. And in addition, this may not actually be a Guatemalan variety. Could be an undatus. But who knows for sure? I think if I could afford it, I'd do DNA testing on all of my plants in time. But who knows, maybe I will. So we'll see. It's very expensive though. So anyways, there's your lesson. I hope that makes sense. Again, HOUGHTON, Rixford created these two varieties, Sugar Dragon, which is 8-S, and then the lost, or sort of lost, 7-S, which is this one. I'm sure the fruit's gonna be similar. All right, there you go, 7-S. Give us a like and a subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.